With prices fluctuating more than ever, you need to find new ways to keep your business on the up. Boost your resilience and secure the future. Grow your revenue by building closer partnerships with your customers, thanks to Siemens Service Lifecycle and Analytics for heavy equipment. As your products become more complex, your customers need the knowledge that only you can provide to help maintain their equipment. Leverage that knowledge to deliver comprehensive serial number specific service documentation to the field to improve service planning and maximize uptime. Extend your product lifecycle management into service and become a full solutions partner to your customers. By establishing a single source of knowledge for all service-related information, you will provide BOM continuity to stay tuned with your products. With access to this up-to-date information, you can track the entire maintenance history and guarantee continued quality and compliance of equipment throughout its life. Leverage the IoT to collect data from the field and learn how to anticipate service needs. Feed this data back into engineering to close the loop between service and design, enabling you to continuously improve machine performance. Build closer partnerships with your customers, helping them reduce maintenance costs and improve productivity, while growing your revenue with new value-driven business models thanks to Siemens Service Lifecycle and Analytics for heavy equipment.